introduction to something brand new. It's called integers. So we'll learn about that in the lesson. So without further ado, let's get along with the video. So you might have heard someone say that the weather is -4 degrees Celsius. Someone could say that the weather is 40 degrees Celsius. You might have wondered, what's the difference with this minus symbol and the one with no minus symbol? We're going to learn about that in this lesson. So what is integers? Well, integers is the collection of numbers from 0 to positive numbers and negative numbers. First, let's learn what a positive number is. So, the main thing we have to have an understanding in this number line is 0. And now let's learn what a positive number is clearly. So the numbers that come after 0 that are greater than 0 are called positive numbers. And the numbers that are smaller than the zeros and that come before zeros are called negative numbers. And 0 just lies between them. So this is called integers. Now let us see some sums and see how we can add and subtract on a number line. So now we have our first sum. Let's read it. -6, which is a negative number, plus 6, which is a positive number. So how do we do this? So first, let us circle the first number and find it in this number line. Where is -6? Oh, there it is. So I've circled the number. And now we have to move 6 steps towards the answer. So from this I have to move 6 steps till I find the answer, like our normal addition in the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guess what our answer is? It's 0. Now we have another sum, but this time it's subtraction. -2 minus 3. So first let's circle -2 in the number line. And now we have to subtract 3 from it. When we add, we have to move this way. But when we subtract, we have to move to the left. So let's subtract 3 from 2. 1, 2, 3. We found our answer. It's -5. We did it! Let's do one last sum. 2 minus 4. But as you can see, this is a tricky one because both 2 and 4 are positive numbers. Some people will not read this right, and what they'll do is take the number 4 and subtract 2 from it, and they'll get +2. But remember, 2 is the first number, so we have to take 2 and then subtract 4. See my trick? So let's do this. So first, take the number 2 and circle it. And then from it, we have to subtract 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the answer, -2. Hope you liked the video and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to both my channels, Learning Time with Dyuti and Reading Time with Dyuti. Hope you understood integers. See you later. Bye.